Welcome back to my channel. How are you today? During the process of propagating roses for many years, I have experimented with many different methods, from biological preparations to natural ingredients. And there are methods that seem simple but bring amazing results. Today, I will share with you a rooting technique using homemade biological mixtures, which are very easy to find in the family. Before processing nutrients, the most important thing is to prepare standard branches. Choose a healthy rose branch with moderate age. That is, the bark of the branch has changed color slightly, but the stem is still flexible, not completely lignified. This helps the branch to have enough ability to sprout new buds without being exhausted. All leaves on the stem must be completely removed, including the remaining sharp thorns. Finally, shorten the length of the branch to about 15 centimeters. This is the ideal length to concentrate nutrients at the base, and at the same time, it is easy to fix in the nursery medium.
Next, I use cocoa water as a transition solution before adding it to the main mixture. In a clean glass cup, pour about 150 milliliters of cocoa. The carbonated soft drink contains some trace minerals and simple sugars that help keep the branch tissue moist, while creating a mildly antiseptic environment thanks to the phosphoric acid content. The flower branches are soaked directly in cocoa for about 15 minutes to soften the root tissue and support nutrient conduction.
Meanwhile, we prepare the biological solution to support root stimulation. Take about 3 cloves of garlic, peel them and chop or cut them very small. Garlic is rich in allicin, a compound that has antiseptic effects, inhibits fungi, and protects the branch tissue from rotting. Next, use 2 small tomatoes, about 40 grams. Wash and chop. Tomatoes contain vitamin C, organic acids, and many minerals that help stimulate the formation of young roots and restore cells. Garlic and tomatoes are put together in a clean glass jar, then add about 350 milliliters of warm water. The moderate water temperature helps release the active ingredients faster, but does not denature the biological components. Stir gently and cover. Let stand for 15 minutes for the nutrients to dissolve. When the mixture has reached the extraction time, we filter out the residue, keeping the clear solution. At this time, the flower branches have also been soaked in coca. We take them out and pour the remaining coca into the tomato garlic solution to create a uniform mixture. The next important step is to fix the branches properly, so that the base is always submerged in the nutrient solution. We prepare a clean glass jar and a piece of sponge. Cut the foam piece so that it fits snugly into the mouth of the jar so that it doesn't leak when placed on top. Make a small hole in the middle of the foam piece, fitting the diameter of the rose branch to keep it straight and avoid shaking. Pour the entire mixed solution into the jar until it's full. Then, cover the foam piece over the mouth of the jar. Then insert the rose branch through the small hole, making sure the base is completely submerged in water. To create a microclimate to help retain moisture and reduce evaporation, cover the jar with a transparent plastic cup. Both for easy observation and to protect the branch from drafts. After about 10 days, if you do it correctly, positive signs will appear very clearly. New shoots begin to sprout strongly. The stem remains a shiny green color and does not shrink. The base forms many new, plump white roots that grow evenly around the stem. This is a sign that the propagation process has been successful. To this point, you can gently move the plant to a new pot. Using a loose, porous substrate such as river sand, rice husks, and coconut fiber, mix lightly so that the young roots are not damaged. What I always remind those who are new to rose propagation is, not all specialized preparations are effective. just by understanding the biological characteristics of the plant and knowing how to apply available materials. We can completely create a natural, safe and effective rooting environment. Each successful branch is not just a new plant, but also the result of meticulousness and understanding of the growth process of roses. Thank you for watching the video. Wishing you good health and success.